Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now access Passwords and Security. Following that, click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Now wait 5 seconds and click on Got it in the pop-up. Finally, create your login method. Now you need to repeat it in order to confirm it. And when you're ready, select Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by choosing Add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions presented on your screen. If you don't, just click on Cancel. Now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!